guys, it is another day. It's obviously cloudy. It was raining, as you can see there's some water on the plastic, and I'm glad I put that down because had I not did that, all that water potentially would have leaked inside the car. And I have to fix it. Yeah. I just realized this is like a film on here. Definitely gonna remove those. I do not like this yellow. It's just, I don't know, I don't like it. Alright guys, so I'm probably gonna go to Pick and Pull soon to grab some parts that I need, like this little cap for right there. The other one has it already. Maybe extra fuses, any little small interior parts that I need. See, it's starting to rain again. Yeah. It's starting to rain. Good thing I pulled this in some. Respect your elders. It never gets old. I do want to paint all these doors, the trim, all the trim. I'm going to repaint. Like I said, the side mirrors are going to get repainted. I'm going to pop these out so I can repaint these today, as well as the cover for the headlight. The cover for the battery that goes in the trunk is getting resprayed today, as well as the cap that goes over these right here. Just little small things to kind of help the detail out. I'm watching some other YouTube videos that just has like an extra guide / inspiration. I got some wire brushes right here my dad brought for me. A whole box of gloves that I really needed. So shout out to dad for that. I'm not sure. I have to look this up, but why is there a battery right here? I think that's really weird. Maybe that's just how it is, but I'm not too knowledgeable with this car as of now, how the engine works, and I'm learning as I go, which is okay with me. Like I said, that fan for the AC heater unit needs to be replaced. The motor, I'm sure these are pretty common with these. A critter or something that gets in there and causes it to make weird noises when you turn the fan on. So it still works, it just makes a weird noise, and I don't like that, so I'm gonna have to pop this off and either clean it out or get a new one. I'm not sure. So that's something to think about when I go to a Pick and Pull. If not, I have to order that online. Also, this is really bothering me. I'm not sure exactly what this gunk stuff is. It was all on this part right here, and I scraped it off with like a little razor. And I just don't know. It's really nasty though. I really want to get all that crap off of it. It's almost like baked on. I guess it's like oil / clear coat just being faded off. As you can see, it's all on this part as well, which is what I'm going to use the wire brush for. It's just all over there. It's just bothering me. If you guys know any ways to get that stuff off faster, please leave a comment down below with any recommendations or suggestions. But yeah, just learning as I go. Like I said, this is my second car. I had a 1974 Firebird previously, and I did the same thing. I never knew anything about cars. I just learned as I went, and I learned a lot. So this is the first time I'm getting a Beamer. I'm going to be learning as I go, and this is a fun little project / car that I'm going to add to my collection. So hopefully this is one of many more. I did have to clean out this stuff in the garage today and kind of push it to the side. Wash it down with some soap and water to kind of get any little dust and stuff out of here. But yeah, guys, it's been fun so far. Stay tuned. I do have another face mask. I do not feel like getting it. This is just to keep some of the particles and stuff, if there's any, from blowing in my face. Because I do have the garage open and there is some wind. Got my logo on there. Starting to really rain now. Yikes. Alright, like I said, today I wanted to get these painted. as well as the side mirrors. So I just popped this off, and you could just use a flathead. I have this little tiny one right here. There's a bolt right there. You just detach, I believe, this cable down there for the sensor to adjust this. So we're gonna get that done. I'll see you guys in a second. Alright guys, I just got this loose and popped it off. Let me set the camera down so I could take it off. Alright, so we got the first side mirror off. This is the passenger. I'm gonna set that there. 2 bolts that I'm gonna probably repaint, especially this one. It was really nasty. Get some of this rust off. Or wire. Use a wire brush. There's a little attachment to the clamp right there, and then right here there are 2 plastic pieces. The bolts slide in here to hold the mirror down, but those plastic joints fit into this piece right here for your interior. But yeah, I'm gonna finish wet sanding this. I'm gonna tape this off so no water gets inside. I'm gonna spray these satin black today. Alright, so I thought while I was at it to remove the vents, like I said earlier, I wanted to respray everything that I possibly can. I'm about to take that one off as well. This is the driver side mirror. That way I can clean all this out too while I'm at it. You see how nasty this is, all the dirt. And then like I said too, my fan, when I turn the heater and AC on, hold on, and in there, you can't really see it. Let me see. No, I can't get in there, sorry guys. But there's a fan right in here. It's like a dual side fan. One's black and one's white. And I'm gonna have to clean all that crap out in there. You can kind of see it if I adjust. There it is. The fan's right in there. And when I turn the heater and AC on, it makes a really weird noise. And like I said, it's a common problem for these cars. But either you just have to clean it out or replace it, the motor. So it's not that serious. But yeah, I'm gonna get all this crap out. I did lift up the weather stripping just a little bit so I can clean all in here while I'm at it. Yeah, but I'm pretty excited to get this done. See, got one right there, that one right there. Alright guys, stay tuned.